there's just a few more things to cover here with Python regular expressions. So one thing that you can do with a regular expression that's sort of different in Python is you can take that regular expression and compile it and create this regular expression object. And these objects have methods for various operations, such as searching pattern matches or doing string substitutions. So, for example, we can create this regular expression a, b star. So this would be a followed by b any number of times. And when we just print or rather just display the value of that variable, it's this re.compile object. And so what we're going to do now is that object has these various attributes, so it can different sort of functions it can, methods it can execute. So if we type p dot all these different options, so these are all methods that are available using that regular expression on something else. So we're kind of switching around the way that we think about these things and how we use them. But if we do this p, which is this regular expression a, b star, so a, b any number of times, and we search on this string, we get this match object, just like we would get using the re.search, but it's sort of the other way around. So again, we have this group method span, which gives us this part of the span, which is the coordinates. So this is AB is the thing that's matching. So, and the string is 4 characters long. So 2, 4 would be 0, 1, 2, 3, and then up to but not including 4. So it's the same kind of indexing that we've seen before. And then we have start and end, which are just the beginning and end of that span tuple. So just another example of that. We can make another regular expression, which is compiling this a to z one or more times, and then we're going to use that to match this thing tempo. Again, here we're using match instead of search, so it would only match at the beginning of the string, but that's fine because this is a lowercase string, so it will match. So again, this is our compile object, and this is our match object. So we've matched the whole string, and it has a span from 0 to 5. And again, it has the same kind of attributes, the group, which is the thing that matched, and then the coordinates start or end, or we could have used span as well. Now, one more example. If you want to find all of the examples of a regular expression in a string, you can use find all, and this will return the results as a list. So for example, we can compile the regular expression as a compile object here. We can then specify the string, some string here. So this is just a sentence, and we're going to take this regular expression and find all. So we're going to find all elements, or find all instances of this regular expression, which is a lowercase letter, in this string. And then we're going to store that as letters, which is going to be a list. and then we're going to just display the value of that. So what we get out is all of the individual matches of that string. That are lowercase letters. So we could change this up a little bit and say we want to match we'll call this words